Welcome to the snow apocalypse of 2018. In this blizzard, we are going to be barbecuing. That's right, rain, sleet, snow, or blizzard, nothing stops BBQ Crashers. And we're going to be doing it all on the Char-Griller Akorn Jr style grill. It's the only grill that I know that will survive these elements. Let there be smoke. Let's get this thing started. So I started off by adding some charcoal, lump charcoal in there before it actually came out. And we're gonna use rubbing alcohol and some cotton swabs. As simple as that. I'm gonna do it with 2 cotton swabs right here in the middle of the blizzard. Regular old rubbing alcohol. Make sure the bottom vent is open. Now's the time to open up the top vent. You're gonna soak the cotton balls, put them down below. We're gonna light them on fire. I always like to use a butane style lighter. As simple as that. Totally frozen solid here. All that slush. That drink all slushed up. Oh man. Ooh, the snow pile. Look at that, huh? I'll put snowy side up on this time. Plow truck's coming through. Oh yeah, thank you. Salt Bae, this is for you. I never see you in the snow, but if you were in the snow, I'm sure you would do it like this, right? I'm gonna go with the Chicago steak seasoning. This is actually really good. Oh man, I wish you could smell that. That Chicago steak seasoning is the way to go. Yeah, I'm soaking wet. Yeah, I can't feel my toes. But if you could smell this, you're gonna want to barbecue in a blizzard. Nobody else is barbecuing in a blizzard, but they're missing out. All right, DJ, drop a beat. We're going over some numbers, son. 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with lump charcoal for a direct open flame sear. Each side of the meat will be a total of 2 to 3 minutes cook time while turning it 45 degrees within that 2 to 3 minutes to give it those crisscross grill marks. Remember to close the lid in between. I'm stacking this plate up because it's cold out. Got to keep the meat tempered. Now let's go over the numbers. 130 rare, 135 medium rare, 150 medium, 160 well, and that is for beef. I use the jiggle method. Nobody likes a stiff piece of meat. We need a little bit of jiggle and wiggle. We know it's ready.